Hello everyone, I'm Nivedita, your host for today's episode of Here and Now. Welcome to our 167th episode, where we bring you all the know-how of the ever-evolving insurance world. So, let's deep dive into the significant updates and latest news from the insurance industry. The first story of the day is from The Hindu and Asia Insurance Review, which highlights the proactive approach by the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, or IRDAI, to expedite the disbursal of unclaimed insurance funds. Recognizing the potential regulatory concerns associated with the accumulation of unclaimed amounts, the IRDAI has taken decisive steps by amending the Master Circular on unclaimed amounts of policyholders. To address this issue effectively, the regulatory body is encouraging insurers to enhance their initiatives in locating the rightful owners of outstanding payments and ensuring swift distribution of funds. The emphasis is on encouraging policyholders to update their contact details, including mobile numbers, email addresses, and residential information. Additionally, insurers are urged to maintain updated Know Your Customer or KYC records on an ongoing basis and conduct re-KYC for minors upon reaching adulthood. The IRDAI's comprehensive approach extends accountability not only to insurers but also to agents, intermediaries, group master policyholders, and other distribution channels. By listing several positive changes on the Master Circular, the regulatory authority is providing a clear guidance to the industry, promoting transparency and reinforcing the importance of efficient disbursement to rightful recipients. Moving on, our next story, as covered in Mint, focuses on the waiting period in a health insurance policy. An essential consideration while buying health insurance plans for families or individual needs is to check the policy's waiting period. Comprehensive knowledge of waiting periods empowers you to make informed decisions, whether it is managing pre-existing conditions, minimizing financial burdens, planning for future medical needs, or accessing specialized care. A waiting period is the time you must wait to avail of insurance benefits. It begins from the date of policy commencement, and the insured cannot claim health insurance benefits during this time. As per the guidelines of IRDAI, the waiting period for a health insurance plan is 30 days from the policy date, except for accidents. The waiting period for several pre-existing diseases such as osteoporosis, cataracts, hernia, and critical illnesses can range from a few months to years. Understanding your health insurance policy's waiting period is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it helps you plan for coverage gaps and explore alternative care options during the waiting period. Knowing the waiting period also prevents claim rejection, reducing financial stress. Additionally, checking waiting periods for different policies allows you to compare and choose the right one that aligns with your specific health needs, ensuring tailored coverage for you and your family. It is essential to thoroughly read the policy's terms and conditions and seek professional help if needed to maximize the benefits of your health insurance. Shifting gears, the news from Hindi Tez Buzz sheds light on essential insurance travel tips. Starting a journey is about exploring and being ready for surprises. However, travel journeys can have issues like cancelled trips, medical problems, lost bags, and flight delays, especially with today's changing weather, for which insurance coverage is provided by insurance companies. With 1.4 million lost bags every year and the risk of natural disasters, modern travel has more challenges. Hence, having a smart travel insurance plan is crucial. The demand for travel insurance has surged due to the resurgence of travel, with reports indicating that over 76% of travelers are purchasing travel insurance policies, particularly in the wake of the pandemic. Acquiring travel insurance in advance is crucial for flexibility and financial security during unforeseen events like natural disasters. Insurance providers also consider additional coverage options tailored to one's itinerary, like protection for one's cherished valuables and sports adventures up to a certain amount. While buying a plan, it's essential to disclose any pre-existing medical conditions to the insurance company for proper coverage during travel emergencies. To get the best out of a travel insurance plan, comparing quotes from different providers would ensure a cost-effective option tailored to your needs, whether it's domestic or international travel, solo trips, family vacations, or senior citizen travel. Also, while filing a claim, promptly contacting the insurance provider is vital for guidance through the process and understanding of coverage terms. By following the mentioned travel insurance tips, you can enjoy travel knowing that you are protected against the unexpected twists and turns of an exciting journey. Wrapping up, our last story of the day from the Indian Economic Observer discusses cargo insurance. When transporting goods, whether by sea or by land, there is always a level of risk involved. Cargo insurance is specifically designed to safeguard goods and merchandise while they are in transit. Whether transported by air, sea, rail, or roadways, cargo insurance provides coverage against loss or damage arising from a range of risks. This ensures that businesses are not burdened with the consequences resulting from mishaps during transportation. Some significant reasons why having cargo insurance is crucial are that it offers risk management, financial security, compliance requirements, and peace of mind. There are multiple cargo insurance coverage options, including insurance for goods in transit, protection for sea transport, coverage for air freight, and end-to-end protection. Cargo insurance basically covers loss or damage during transportation, theft or pilferage, fire and explosion, water damage, accidental damage, custom duties, and taxes. This insurance provides financial security for businesses by covering the loss or damage of goods during transportation. Understanding and selecting the right coverage is crucial to protect goods throughout their journey in the supply chain. Understanding and selecting the right coverage is crucial to protect goods throughout their journey in the supply chain, ensuring businesses can navigate complexities with confidence. And with that, we wrap up today's episode. We hope you found these stories informative and insightful. Our podcast, Here and Now, will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until next time, take care, goodbye. Have a wonderful week ahead.